Hello my friends, this is FPS Ukraine, and today we're going to be testing out the new prototype rocket launcher and rocket. Let's start the show. This is the PTOD&D, plastic tube of death and destruction. And I have to say, this is the most advanced weapon system I have seen in a long time. It consists of a plastic tube. Let's move on. This is the rocket. It's powered by a, I'd say about like 4-inch engine right there, and then it's got the fins, and the payload is a sharpened, hardened steel projectile. So this will be going down at very high speeds into its target, and I think target is going to have a very bad day. Alright, this rocket, I don't think I put it together all the right way, because the directions mysteriously got doused in gasoline and set on fire. So I kind of just threw it together and then super glued the crap out of it. So maybe it will explode, maybe it will kill me. Let's see what happens. Alright, now that we've got our safety precautions, let's shoot the rocket. Alright, we're getting ready to fire this, and it is going to be epic. At least I hope so, and I hope that my hands don't get blown off. Alright. Hopefully this fuse works the way it's supposed to. Alright, there we go guys. This is going to get real.
Still going. It's still going. Still going. It looks like it's gonna stop. It's going again. And it's gonna go very soon. Any second now.
That is what I'm talking about, guys. Alright guys, that is what I'm talking about. I'm going to take this off the tripod and try to go see if I can find it back here. Alright, we found it over here. It's right here. I couldn't really tell what happened, but that tip's still on there. Definitely did not hit our target over there. It must have hit a branch and then just completely, I don't know, knocked it out of thing. I think the engine got knocked out of it and it's over there. We heard that pop. But unfortunately it did not hit our target. Alright, that was the PTOD&D, our plastic tube of death and destruction. I'm waiting on the US Army's call. I have about 150 of these on the ready at about $100,000 each. Reasonably priced, come pick yours up. This has been FPS Ukraine, and as always, have a nice day.